Welcome X users to our channel where we share valuable tips and tricks to help you make the most of your X experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of adding a location to a post in X. If you want to share your whereabouts or highlight a specific place, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Step 2. Look for the plus icon, usually located at the bottom center of the screen. Tap on it to create a new post. Step 3. Type in what you want to post, whether it's a caption, a message, or a description. Let your creativity flow. Step 4. Now, let's add a location to your post. Look for the location icon, usually represented by a small map pin. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. X will request access to your location. Allow X to access your location to enable automatic location detection. Step 6. If X is unable to find your location automatically, it will prompt you to add it manually. Simply enter the name or address of the desired location and select it from the suggestions. And just like that, you've successfully added a location to your post in X. Share your favorite spots, highlight travel destinations, or let your friends know where you're hanging out. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.